Let me show you what I would do. And again, I mentioned proceed with caution. When you're using AI, proceed with caution, but don't be a schmuck by not using AI. Some people are like, oh, I don't want to use AI. That is dumb. Use AI, but use AI with caution and with respect. And when I say respect, you got to respect your position, right? Because a lot of people, they fail to realize I have more intellect relating to my position, my background, than AI because you are more emotionally intelligent. And if you add that EI to the AI, you just get a bigger payoff. So, what I would do if I were you, I'd do this. I use AI as my coach. I go in there and I would say, I've been using Jira to manage work that I do for a government agency. Let's call it Agency Hope. And I have been hiring vendors, suppliers, and so on. And I've been managing all of this in Jira. And I've been doing the whole 9 yards of project management using Jira as a solid tool. With your understanding of what procurement is, and assuming that I did this for the government agency Hope for the past 3 years across four different programs, I need you to create an idea of how my PMP exam application would look, factoring in the multiplicity of roles that I have played, all with Jira at the base. Give me a very quick initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling and closing description of my role. I did a lot of team building, team meetings, stakeholder management, stakeholder engagement, rallying teams together towards a common goal, and monitoring and controlling the schedule and budget. So, my friends, you already know my disposition. I'm kind of like my disposition is like Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein said, someone asked him, they're trying to test him, so they asked him a very complicated mathematical problem, like 500 divided by 0.31 times. They're just trying to test him, messing with him. And he said, use a calculator. Why should I fill my head with things that I can use a calculator to do? Why should I fill my head with nonsense? In the same token, I leverage AI in the same way. Why should I kill myself trying to do everything when I have technology that can help distill my ideas? So you can see the initial idea. This is a fat prompt right here. This is big. All I used AI to do was compartmentalize my thinking and expand on it. But the emotional intelligence behind what I did, I own it.